Here I have XIAOMI Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, then go to the factory reset, tap erase all data, factory reset, then wait for 10 seconds and read this text. Factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes and other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items to your computer. Next, make sure all the important items are backed up to your computer, or all the data on this device will be erased during the reset. You won't be able to restore the items you haven't backed up. Okay. And after that, device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.